Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best barrel planters that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about this products, please check the link in a description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this video. Starting at number 5, we have Half Barrel Garden Planter. This is the best barrel planter on the market in 2021. It comes with a simple but highly stylish design, and this implies that it effortlessly helps you display the beauty of your favorite flowers in a unique package. In this barrel planter, you can grow your favorite flowers, plants, and herbs and enjoy their beauty. You can use this product for both indoor and outdoor use, and so it gives you great value. For outdoor use, this barrel planter features a weather-resistant design where it cannot be affected by strong winds or rain. Additionally, it cannot be damaged by snow, and this implies that it will go through all 4 seasons of the year with strength and durability. It comes with an antique brown finish that will never fade even after long exposure to the sun. This is the best barrel planter on the market. Order yours today and watch your outdoor or indoor space transform into what you have long wished for. Moving on at number 4, we have Signal's Wooden Dachshund Flower Planter. This is the barrel planter that will give you an adorable decor piece for your garden. The best thing about it is that it is handcrafted from iron and wood materials. It can comfortably accommodate a pair of medium-sized plant pots, household goods, or decor. One of the greatest things about this product is that it features both outdoor and indoor use, and so you can freely place it in the garden, porch, or deck. The product provides an eye-catching storage solution for small plants and flowers. It is made using sturdy wood material that withstands all seasons throughout the year. Additionally, it gives a rustic chic and charming look to any one of your rooms, regardless of whether you are filling it with books, extra linens, craft supplies, doggy toys, or seasonal decorative items. At number 3, we have Sunny Days Decor Outdoor Planter. Do you need that rustic, rugged look in your garden or patio? Well, this barrel planter will give you exactly that. It comes with a vintage style that enhances the look and feel of your backyard. Additionally, it also comes with a load of character, which defines your personality and lifestyle. One of the greatest things about this best barrel planter is that it is weatherproof. This implies that it cannot be affected by strong wind or heavy downpour. Moreover, this barrel planter is insect resistant, therefore, it will never be landed upon by insects, and this boosts its durability. The product is made from acacia hardwood, which is a high-quality wood that lasts long. At number 2, we have Collections Etc. Faux Wood Planters. Now you can showcase flowers and plants to create sensational seasonal displays with this delightful planter. Styled to look like a nostalgic barrel wagon, it features a realistic faux wood finish and smooth rolling iron wheels. The product is made using a realistic faux wood finish to give your space some rustic and vintage style. To avoid waterlogging your flowers and small plants, the bottom of this barrel planter features a hole for drainage purposes. Additionally, you will also love the weather-resistant iron and plastic material of this product, which greatly boosts the product's durability. And finally, at number 1, Classic Home and Garden Barrel Planter. Could some distressed oak color add a great look within your space, whether at home or office? This best barrel planter will do that and much more. The product features a distressed oak finish and comes with antique bands which are pewter colored. One of the great things about this product is that it is very light, and this enhances its portability from one place to another. Therefore, it allows you to place it wherever you want at any time. You will also love the fact that this barrel planter has a UV coat finish that keeps its color from fading. Therefore, it will always look great and maintain its beautiful finish, in spite of serving you for a prolonged time. Besides, it comes with a durable resin construction of high density that you will always love. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope like you this videos. If this video helpful to you, please make comments and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.